This is Marty with Aerial Liquid. I'm just gonna try my hand at a little more FPV this afternoon. This is the goggle view. This is what I'm seeing when I'm flying around. As you can see on the left, it says slide, 180 drift, and flip and power loop are grayed out. That's because I don't have enough altitude. This is a mode called Easy Acro mode. This is actually pretty fun. It's pretty cool. I discovered it just a little bit ago. I'll show you what this is all about. Let's try a little front flip here. Now a back flip. You can try a couple of the barrel rolls here. Maybe roll right or roll left. This slide option here, well, I'm not sure what's going on with that. Not exactly sure what slide does, but I'll figure it out sometime. The 180 drift seems pretty cool. That could be useful tracking different things and objects, cars and motorcycles possibly. Well, battery's getting a little low, so let's see about heading home. The return home feature is really nice, except sometimes it can be a pain in the butt. But this time, gives us a good indication to get home. Let's see if I can land on the chair. It's kind of tough to do in the goggles here. Oh yeah, we got it.